Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Canada. Yes indeed, just like that country. And no, I don't live there. If this is your first time here, I am so glad to meet you. I do all types of fun things, vintage sewing, thrifting, all with heavy doses of sarcasm throughout. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, or cup of coffee, go ahead and click that subscribe button now. I'm gonna do this early. In today's video, we're going to be tackling my office. For reference, in case you're just joining us for the first time, I've had some really fabulous luck recently of 80-pound pattern haul and accidental haul where I ended up with 3 giant bags of patterns, along with just my general pattern overflow that is my house. So to say that my office has gotten into a state would be an understatement, because it was a disaster. And I'm not sure which was the last feather to drop, but by golly, it was time to deal with it. So it did. So let's just jump right in, grabbing our coffees or tea, and come on, let's get organizing. Before we get started, let's take a moment to reminisce on why I got here. Oh, right. Anyways, just remember that everything you're shown on the internet doesn't actually mean that that's how it looks in real life. Everything below the camera sometimes is a complete and utter mess. I've been buying sewing patterns here and there throughout our quarantine journey, and I had sort of forgotten how many exactly I had, and then I had my friends offer to send me some. And well, this is what ensued. There are patterns quite actually everywhere. My husband joked at one point that he thinks that if we move the patterns, he's concerned our roof might fall over because we live in a house of patterns. And he's not wrong. So as you can clearly see here, there was barely a path with which I could actually get to my computer. And while this is only phase 1, I do intend to try and do some more organizational shenanigans along the way. But the biggest tackling was just, can I see the floor? I would say the biggest surprises of the day were exactly how many patterns I had stacked on each other that I had forgotten that I still had, boxes of which I'm pretty sure I had already sold, and a mysterious leftover container that became unearthed from underneath the overflow pattern cabinet that was from back when I worked for Blue Man, which at this point was at least 7 months ago. So let's just say that went swiftly into the trash can, because ew. If you do get into the vintage pattern business, or just have vintage patterns overflowing from everywhere, please, I beg of you, don't be me. This is not something to aspire to. This is what we're going to clean up right now. And now what do my wondering eyes appear? A glistening floor that I can actually walk around on? You didn't think I was actually gonna rhyme that, did you? You're cute. Yeah, it's really nice to be able to see things like, I don't know, your cabinet, your floor, knowing that there's not random things underneath around you that you could possibly trip on. And yet, even after all the patterns are cleaned up and nicely put away, well, as nice as they can be for the moment, I still manage to trip on the cable that runs to the extension cord beneath my desk. Full circle. It feels right. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video today. Just a little reminder just to rearrange things sometimes. Maybe make it so you can see the floor. Because, trust me, it's a lot easier that way. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to click that like button, making sure to leave me a comment letting me know which room you either want to or have recently reorganized. I'd love to know and see what else everyone else is doing in their organizational journeys. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you can see more endeavors along the way, and turn on the bell for post notifications. Sure, why not? Thanks so much for watching, folks. See y'all next time. 'Cause I'm thirsty. Why do I always pick the Monsters mug to do multiple videos of? That's weird.
No.
In today's video, what we're going to be doing is watching me take care of my office. That's not good. Try again. And I don't know what bug crawled on me or what. No, that's a nope. And I'm not quite sure where this spur of the moment situation happened. That's also not a good way to say that. Just wanted to kind of show you that it is possible to actually rearrange. So let's just jump right in. Nope. Have the coffee in your hand.